Catson, an affordable auto litter box that cares about you and your cat. As a cat lover, you know the dread of litter box cleaning. The constant scooping, stinky odors, and mess all around. It's the only downside of owning a cuddly cat. That's why we created Catson, an automatic litter box that takes the hassle out of cleaning up after kitty. With Catson, you never scoop again. After your cat's done its duty, the machine automatically begins a 2-cycle cleaning process that removes waste so your cat will always have a fresh place to do its business. The carbon-filtered waste drawer can hold up to 6.6 pounds of litter. It keeps the area odor-free and only needs emptied once a week. After scooping, the advanced UV sanitation system eliminates harmful germs and bacteria to maintain a clean environment and manage odors efficiently. Catson's spacious chamber sits low to the ground so that kittens or older cats can easily get inside. It can handle households with multiple cats and can even accommodate cats wearing an e-collar. Catson also has an LED weight scale built in, so you can monitor your cat's weight, which is an important indicator of health. Safety is a priority, and Catson features multiple sensors that detect your cat's motions and location to automatically stop operation if a cat is inside or around the box. Catson is devoted to creating innovative, high-quality, and affordable products for cats and their owners. Please join us and get the Catson automatic litter box at the lowest price, $179 on Kickstarter.